welcome to Textile TV. Stay with us and enrich your knowledge.
FIFA World Cup 2022 will start 21 November in Qatar. 32 teams for 2022 World Cup has been determined. In this video, we take an update look at the 2022 World Cup Kits Maker Battle. Nike clearly lead the 2022 World Cup Kit Battle with 13 teams. Adidas comes second with 7 teams, while Puma have 6 teams. Puma's most important teams, Italy, are missing in the 2022 World Cup. 6 brands have 1 team each. Nike 13 teams are Qatar, Poland, Saudi Arabia, Brazil, France, Croatia, England, Netherlands, South Korea, Canada, Portugal, USA, Australia. Adidas comes second with 7 teams. Germany, Belgium, Spain, Argentina, Japan, Mexico, Wales. Puma have 6 teams. Serbia, Switzerland, Uruguay, Ghana, Morocco, Senegal. 6 brands have 1 team each. Hummel, Denmark. Majid, Iran. Marathon, Ecuador. New Balance, Costa Rica. Le Coq Sportif, Cameroon. Kappa, Tunisia. Which brand will win or dominate the 2022 World Cup? Share your thoughts in comments below.